We know that people have been trying to use cells to build original organs for organ replacement. But instead of building the original tissue or organ, we are building something unnatural, and that's artificial. So we are building an artificial circuits based on the electronic concept, and then we will transplant it into the body. Technically, it's novel because we borrow the tissue engineering and synthetic biology approach, but here we combine them because we want to combine two types of cells, heart cells and neurons. Then there's a problem. How can we synchronize the signaling between the two types of cells? Here we use synthetic biology. So I think this focus is highly novel because people have been solely relying on the natural existing cellular interface. But here, our innovation is we have an electrical circuit concept, but we use cells as the material to implement this circuit concept with a physical device. And furthermore, we are creating novel, non-existing cellular IOs in order to facilitate the functionality within the device. We are very grateful to NSF for supporting our biocircuit engineering research.